Mike Hughes here. I'm at the Tiare, the ship, but I'm here with Lenny, and you want to tell us about, well, your dive operation in general?
Sure. Tiare is a new 5-star liveaboard in Indonesia. She goes to Komodo, Raja Ampat, and Banda Sea, as well as Forgotten Island. Because Indonesia have so many islands, the boat go to Komodo half of the year, and the other half of the year she goes to Raja Ampat. It can take like maximum 14 people, but sometimes for individual trips we maximum take 14 guests.
Okay, and where are we looking at the map here? If we're looking at...
This is Komodo Raja National Park.
Okay.
And this is Raja Ampat National Park.
So you're going to go around here, past Sulawesi,
Yes.
all the way up to here.
Yeah.
And
So,
right by this Komodo guy.
Yeah, 6 months of the year we are in Komodo,
Okay.
and 6 months of the year in Raja Ampat. But in between we also cross Banda Sea and Forgotten Islands, which is famous in October for hammerhead sharks.
How can they be famous if they're forgotten?
That's a very good question actually.
Okay. And if they want more information about your
Please contact
operation?
us at www.tiarecruise.com.
And if they say it, they got to go arre when they do it, right? On the
Arre?
internet. You know, tiare.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you very
Thank
much,
you.
Mike. Nice
Bye.
meeting you. Bye.